Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, we are going to, or I am going to discuss about expanding brackets. This is algebra lessons, or in other books, we can say that this is multiplication of algebraic expressions, okay? Or multiplication of polynomials or binomials, trinomials, or yeah, polynomials. Okay, so let us have number one, example number one. Okay, so we have 2 times 3, quantity times 3 plus m. Okay, so first, let us multiply 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. And then, okay, 2 times m is 2m. Okay, so that is our answer. 6 plus 2m. Next. The next one is 3 times quantity 4 minus y. So 3 times 4, so we have 12. And then 3 times negative y, we have negative 3y. And that is our final answer. Simple as that. Next. Next, we have 5a times quantity 3a power of 2 minus 2b. Okay, so let us multiply 5a by 3a squared. So we have 5 times 3, we have 15. And then by applying the laws of exponents, okay, so we have 1 plus 2. We should add the exponents when we multiply the variables. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Then minus, okay. So 5a times 2b. So 5 times 2 is 10. And then since they are different, a and b, so we just simply combine them. Okay, a, b. Okay, not a plus b because we multiply it. So ab. All right. So our final answer is 15a power of 3 or 15a cubed minus 10ab. Okay. Next, number 4. Okay, 3p times quantity 4p cubed minus 5m. Okay, so let us multiply. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then p, then once again, by applying the laws of exponents, when we multiply the variables, so we have to add the exponents. We have power of 1 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then minus. So we have, okay, 3 times 5 is 15. And then we write it by alphabetical order. So m first and then p. Okay, when we write the variables, we should write it in alphabetical order. Okay, so our final answer is 12p power of 4 minus 15mp. Okay, next. Okay, next one. 3 times quantity 4 plus x plus 2 times quantity 5 plus x. Okay, so let us multiply 3 by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So plus 3 times x is 3x. And then since it is addition, so we write addition. So 2 times 5 is 10. And then 2 times x is 2x. Okay, so let us regroup them according to their terms, okay, like terms. So we have 3x plus 2x plus 12 plus 10. Okay, so when we write the algebraic expressions, the standard form, we write first the the term with variables, and then the last one is the constant number. Okay, constant number, it doesn't have any variables on it. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So when we add the algebraic expression, we simply add the with the same variables and then copy only the exponent. Okay, we don't add the exponent, we add only in multiplication. All right, so plus, so we have 12 plus 10 is 22. Okay, so our final answer is uh, 5x plus 22. Okay, so moving on, number 6. Okay, so we have 5 times 3 is 15 plus, okay, 5 times 2x is 10x, okay, plus, okay, 3 times 2 is 6, and then 3 times 3x is 9x. Okay, so again, let us regroup according to their terms. Okay, then we have 9x plus 15 plus 6. So 10 plus 9, we have 19. Okay, 19x plus 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, so that is our final answer. We have 19x plus 21. Okay, next, moving on. Number 7. Okay, so 4a times 2b. So we have 8. So again, we should write it in alphabetical order. So we have ab, a plus, a 4a times 3c. We have 12, and then a c. Okay, so as you can see, I am writing it in alphabetical order. The next one, so since it is positive or plus, so I will write plus. And then 3b times 3a, we have 9, okay, ab. And then 3b times 2c, so we have 6, oh sorry, plus, we have 6 bc. Okay, so I will write, I will use other color. Okay, so we have AB here and then AB here. And so 8AB, okay, plus 9AB. Oh, sorry. Okay, so plus, and then 12AC. I will make this first because it has variable A. Okay, so 12AC. And then the last one is 6BC. Okay, it's just like, okay, A, and then B, and then C. Okay, so it's still alphabetical order. Okay, so 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 AB, okay, plus. So since they are different, they have different variables. This one is AC, this is BC. So you cannot add them or subtract. Okay, so plus 12 AC plus 6 BC. Okay, you can combine them only in multiplication, but not in addition or subtraction. All right, next. The next one is number 8. Okay, so we have a 5m times 2n, so we have 10mn. Then 5m minus 3p, times 3p, sorry, right, 15 mp. Then this is minus, so I will write minus. Okay, so we have 6 np. And then the last one, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 mn. Okay, so I will regroup them. Okay, 10 mn And then I have mn here also, 4mn. And then after that, okay, of course, mp, okay, minus 15 mp. And then the last one is 6 np. Okay. So 10 plus 4, we have 14 mn, okay, minus. So this is mp, this is np. So again, we cannot combine them. We cannot subtract because they have different variables. So 15 mp minus 6 np. And that is our final answer. Okay. Next, number 9. Okay, number 9. So we have two brackets here. So let us multiply first x to x, first term to first term. So we have x power of 2. And then after the first term, okay, multiply it by the second one on the other uh, set. Okay. So we have plus 2x, okay, and then plus 3x, and then 3 times 2 is 6. So x power of 2. So we have 2x plus 3x. Okay, we have 5x, okay, plus 6. And that is our final answer. And the last one, last example. So x minus 2 times quantity x minus 1. Okay, so we have x squared. X times x is x squared, or x power of 2. Then x times negative 1, we have negative x. 2 times negative 2 times x, we have negative 2x. And the last one, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Okay, so x squared, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3x. So plus 2. Okay, and that is our final answer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.